Well, okay. We all do it. We do laundry. At least most of us do it. But do you know, we may be doing that laundry incorrectly. We've got a list of some of the problems, things we do wrong.
Here's what I get confused by, and I'm going to admit it. So if I'm using an HE detergent, the high efficiency detergent, right? Which line do I fill it up to in the cup? Does that mean I have to go back and read the owner's manual?
Well, that's a good question. I look at
Because
there's a line in
well,
the
I have two lines in my dispenser cup, and
oh,
I don't know. And that's where I mean, I hate to say I'm not qualified to do laundry, as I do laundry, but I always fill it to the lower mark, and I always wonder if is that the right thing because I admit I didn't read the instruction manual.
oh. Well, I just fill it. The one I bought has automatic fill. You put it in there as much as you want it
Oh,
on like dispensers, but there is too much. You can be using too much. And then what it does is it doesn't mean cleaner. Excess detergent can leave residue, trap dirt, cause buildup in your washer.
yeah.
Also, ignoring care labels on your laundry, that could be a real concern, a real problem. If it says don't use hot water and you use hot water, right? Overloading the machine, I'm guilty of that, putting
Yeah.
too much in there and stuffing too many items that are not going to get properly cleaned, not sorting properly. So you want to mix light colors with light colors, dark colors with dark colors, and that's something new to me. I know that sounds crazy, but I didn't realize that. Also, using too much fabric softener. If your machine dispenses automatically, you're in luck. You don't have to worry about it. Leaving wet clothes in the dryer, so letting damp clothes sit for too long will lead to mildew, bad smells. I just realized recently on one of the machines that I have, actually, you can delay the machine washing until about when you get home, so it's freshly washed. Also, not cleaning your washer. And we've talked about this in the past. There are these little things you can buy. Amazon's got them. You stick it in the washer and it cleans the washer without any clothes in it. Do a cycle, which helps to get rid of residue and dirt. Also, using the wrong water temperature for clothes. Yeah, that's a problem. Skipping the lint trap in the dryer, which is a fire hazard as well. Correct, Brad?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Drying everything on high heat can be a problem because it can shrink, fade, or damage fabrics over time. Not turning clothes inside out. That's a new one for me as well, where you turn them inside out. I'm not sure what it does, but my wife
Yeah.
does that all the time. Yeah.
Yep. Well, I can it what it does, it prevents color transfer. So if you've got like jeans, things that will offset color to color. So
Okay.
that's you turn them inside out, you prevent that from happening.
And finally, ignore washing the stains before you put that in the wash. So there's like shout and
Agree.
yeah, you can spray on there and helps
Yeah.
get the stains
There's
out.
I think there's one other one, Bob, too. A lot
Yeah.
of these the our front load washers for sure have a filter in the front. So you want to make sure that that filter down probably beneath the panel is kept clean too, because it does get gunked up and will make things a little bit stinky.
Can we, as normal people, be able to get into that and
Yeah,
clean that?
yeah. It's
Yeah.
just a little panel that pops off, and you just pull it out, clean it, rinse it off, screw it back in.
Okay. All right. Very good. I'll look for that online
Mm.
today.